Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add an ID card to a UNV Intercom Outdoor Unit. Steps covered. Find the IP address using easy tools. Open the IP address in your web browser and log in. Navigate to the Person library. Click the Add. Click the Add button. Enter the ID number, name, and card type. Click Collection. Swipe the Mafare card on the outdoor unit's card swipe area. Verify that the card number is stored and then click Save. Finally, we'll check if it's working correctly. See how it's done.